Greetings, viewer. Today I invite you to investigate the death of a light bulb. Alright, so we are actually dealing here with a light bulb that has burned out during one of my recordings, and I was really curious to see what made it actually burn out. The first thing that we can work with is the fact that the light bulb appears to be coated in some sort of white layer of something. This phenomena seems to appear in other light bulbs that burn out as well. But how come the left light bulb be burned and look different from the light bulb on the right that is also burned? To answer that question, we first of all have to ask ourselves why incandescent light bulbs actually burn out in the first place. According to Wikipedia though, apparently there can be two reasons for this. One suggests grain boundary slide, and the more common one, the fact that tungsten evaporates in the vacuum ampule. This would actually explain why light bulbs turn black. This, however, does not explain us why some light bulbs turn white. So let's have a look deeper. I suspect that air has actually got into the light bulb and allowed the filament to burn out. In other words, the tungsten reacted with oxygen. I used the same high voltage on the broken light bulb and on a regular light bulb, and as it turns out, the streaks had a different color and they also had different lengths, indicating that the atmosphere in the ampule is different. The white coating inside of the light bulb would be a pretty good indicator, but we need a definitive way to test our thesis. If air actually is the cause that destroyed the filament, that means that there must be a hole in the ampule, and that's what I'm trying to test by leaving the light bulb submerged in water. This is how the filament looked before submerging the light bulb in water for 1 week. So this is really interesting, but you can actually see, I will bring a microscope to show you but it has corroded. The things here have corroded. As you can see in this picture, the prong that was holding the filament has corroded and even has a greenish tint to it. Besides the fact that it also has water condensed on it. I was even able to collect some of the white coating inside of the light bulb. Inside the probe, I have a little bit of the white coating of the light bulb, which seems to be water insoluble. Then proceeded to add hydrochloric acid, and the solution turned pretty clear. After stirring around, as shown in the video, there was nothing left of the mysterious powder. This indicates to me that whatever was inside actually might have been the tungsten oxide. This actually makes a lot of sense, since acid reacts with metal oxides and makes them water soluble. The results of my experiment therefore lead me to conclude that this light bulb was improperly sealed. We do not know when this light bulb was improperly sealed, but we know that this is what most likely happened. Based on my little practical experiment, I conclude that my original theory is correct, that the light bulb was not sealed. However, you can openly debate me in the comment section if you have a different idea that is much more stronger and more plausible. Anyhow, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I wish you a great day. Till next time.